How to add watermark from PowerDirector. Now, in order to add watermark in your clips or the videos in PowerDirector, you just simply need to create a project or select the one if you have already. Just simply open the project that you have or create. Then after that, in this page, you have two ways to add the watermark. First one is adding the photo of your logo or watermark, and the other one is creating the watermark from the text. To add the photo or image logo, just simply go to overlay and then select photo option. Then after that, you need to select the photos from your gallery of your watermark and put into the video. And that way you can add watermark. And the other watermark here is the text. Just simply go to text and enter the watermark. For example, I am adding the watermark of content creator like this. Just simply enter your text and you can put it into the video somewhere that you want in your video like this, and this way you can put the watermark in the video wherever you want.